Hello and welcome to Inside the Truck with me and Deaky and Mia in the back there, that's me. And and Merry Christmas. It is actually 2022 at the minute, isn't it? It's 2022, isn't it?
Yeah, still.
Yeah. So if you're watching
after Christmas.
That's right.
Tomorrow is 2022.
So if you're watching this, it's probably 2023 by now, because we're not going to put this video up today. But I thought I would do a quick video just to say wish you Merry Christmas from us, and also we are going out to play with our big boys' toys, aren't we? Because the girls want to sleep in the house. The dog needs a walk.
Well, Liana isn't, but Mum is.
Yeah.
She's got a headache.
So we're going to go out and we're going to have a go with our toys and take the dog for a nice walk. Here's where we're going to have some fun.
Oh, mate.
Shut up and sit down.
Oh, that was 84, mate.
Well, I don't think anybody else can be coming through here with us.
Unless there is, but... Or like a deer, but no. They wouldn't be able to crush our car, they'd be able to kill
Oh dear.
Oh, jeebus.
So yeah, I thought I'd film this just in case anything... sorry mate, let me put your windows up a minute.
Anything,
just in case,
what happens? Bad happens?
No, just in case anything funny happens again. Like the water through a minute ago.
And you got the camera filming backwards.
Yeah, camera filming us behind.
And Mia, if she gets sucked again.
Oh look, there's a
walking place. Camera filming backwards.
Yeah, camera filming us behind.
And Mia, if she gets sucked again.
Oh look, there's
a walking place.
Yeah, I didn't realise that.
Oh good.
Right then. Oh, it's really rocky, isn't it?
Yeah, well rocky.
I'm still in two-wheel drive at the minute.
This is actually well surprising. Wait, you're in two-wheel drive?
Yeah.
And we're going off-road?
Yeah.
Still.
We're going to have to switch it up to 4 when we hit the bottom though.
Really?
Yeah, it gets muddy at the bottom. Fun though, isn't it?
You remember when we went up the hill with the bunker screw and you clonked your head on the side? Well, I clonked my head on the side of the window.
I clonked my head as well.
You clonked your head on the side of the window and I clonked mine in the window.
Yeah. I know this is an off-roading lane that I think a few people will notice, because actually
we're at the bottom. Is it
that's the tree we cut down ourselves back there.
Where? Back
there, me and Mummy and our friends Daryl and Kayla, because this we actually drove up when they came down to visit.
Oi.
We're gonna have to go through pretty hard, okay? Hold on. That bit's muddy.
And it's bumpy.
Yeah, we can slow down for this bit.
Oh, baby.
This bit down here is like a bog as well, so we're just gonna have to...
Oh! It's actual puddle.
Yeah, it's like a bog down here, so... Woohoo! This bit down here is like a bog as well, so we're just gonna have to...
Oh! It's actual puddle.
Yeah, it's like a bog down here, so...
Romantic, isn't it? Shut up and sit down.
beeping.
What?
Did you hear that then?
We're gonna drive around some more in my RC car. Right now, you're in my RC car, right? With the camera.
Yeah, I could do a video on my phone as well if you want to add to it.
Yeah, so we're gonna start driving now. Well, I'm gonna, because I got the controller. Right. Oh, I need a piece for top. But that's Mia. That's Mia, by the way. Yeah, that's Mia. The poochie bum putting on the hill.
Go careful because there's extra weight on the top of that one. Oh, beach!
Oh, hey, roly-poly sideways.
Oh, beach!
Oh, beach! Hey, roly-poly sideways. Right. Ow! Get in!
Yeah, you can't go over that rock, I don't think. Hey, cutie pants.
Damn it! Please, I want to film it!
Mia, come here. Come on, poochie bub.
Right, that's a crazy move. He's really fast when we're not taking her on a walk.
You good girl.
That's our crazy booch. She's really fast when we're out taking her on a walk. Yeah, that's our pooch. That's our poochy bub. Hello.
This site is where there used to be a jag that was all burnt out and everything. I did a video about it quite a few months ago in the summer. The only thing left standing now, which is funny enough, the heaviest part, which is all made of alley, is the engine. Alley and steel. Go careful through this bit. Again, this is the site of another burnt out car. I didn't have to get pictures of it. It was gone before I even had a chance. That was an insignia.
Me and Mum Dad saw it.
Yeah. You can see how hot it got from the bits of molten metal.
Is that poo?
No, it's bits of
Fluff.
yeah, it's bits of
From the chair?
heat shielding or soundproofing.
My hands are tired from pooing.
Go careful, big boy. What? Let's have a look. This is quite a good off-road trail, and the thing is, if you come,
Oh, there it is. You see it?
yeah, I left it. Oh, it's that sofa. Because I tell you what, the thing is, that's dangerous, because if somebody comes over from this way, you can't see that till the last second. So if you're on a bike or in a car,
Do you want to put it on the rest?
I might put it into the brush there. I say, yeah, because I say that could be really dangerous, because there's always people coming up here on bikes and in trucks and stuff like that, such as myself.
Yeah, like us.
Yeah.
We went up this hill. We
In
went
the
down
truck, it
this
wouldn't.
hill.
In the truck, it wouldn't matter as much, because obviously you just smash it to bits with it. But
We went down the hill once with the truck.
yeah, but let's move out of the way so nobody breaks their neck. And just for disclosure, we didn't dump this here. This isn't ours. This has just been here for. Right, that's okay, Deke. I'll do that.
I wouldn't have on one side.
No, that's okay. Just lift it like this. Look.
I'll help you.
Well, it kind of worked, but not quite. So I'll push it over again.
And boosh.
No, we will come down here one day and we'll pick it up properly. We need to come down here and clean this place off properly. Oh, cutie pantses.
It's weird. I don't know what it is.
Careful. Well, good, you got it to the top. You're...
I cannot feel any wind except through there. Oh my god.
Right, hope you enjoyed that video.
And also,
If you did, then hit like and subscribe. Sorry buddy, I haven't finished yet. But yeah, if you did like the video, hit like and subscribe, share, comment, all that wonderful stuff that helps us out. I was going to do a bit more off-roading, but to be honest, we're losing light. It's Christmas Day and you've got some new toys to play with,
Yeah,
didn't you? Which is
I
what you wanted to tell the camera about, I think, wasn't it?
I got a watercolor change, a color changing, which actually color changes with water.
A Hot Wheels, isn't it?
Hot Wheels, yeah, track, which is just called like the Hot Wheels car wash that I got. I got a Domino Express, which is really cool, honestly. I'm very bad with dominoes, placing them down in the right place with my hands, because I actually just got a regular pack, but it actually came with like 180 dominoes in a box in total.
You ready to go now though?
And yeah, I got a load of other things I'm not going to bother saying. So yeah, bye. I say there's a load of other toys that I'm going to say.
Yeah, I was going to say, yeah, sorry, we got to start driving. We're starting to lose. And we're cold.
Yeah.
The pooch is tired out. And we've also got to make some food.